Welcome to my presentation of City Center 3. This is a building financed by Midway Companies, designed by Kirksey Architecture, and built by Hoare Construction. The building site is located just off the Katy Freeway and the Sam Houston Tollway in the emerging City Center community. The building will provide over 100,000 square feet of rentable space for retail and office use. The building will fit into the beautiful City Center environment, which provides its users with fine food, retail, hotel space, luxurious living spaces, conference centers, a spa, and a fitness center. The foundation phase will begin with excavation. Then, in groups of 3, mat foundations will be formed and poured. This process will continue around the perimeter of the building until the massive mat foundations are reached. Each of the massive mat foundations will consist of a couple hundred cubic yards of concrete. These will be formed one at a time and be poured sequentially. After the mat foundations have been poured, plinths will be formed to support the building structure. After the plinths have been formed, the slab and grade beams will be poured and cured. The structural phase will begin with the forming and pouring the first level columns. After the columns have been poured, shoring will be brought in to support the pans that will form the joists and beams for the second level slab. This process will continue until the building structure is complete. The envelope phase will begin with level 1 glazing, shown first for clarity purposes. The exterior walls of level 1 will then be built. The masonry for the upper levels will be erected, followed by the installation of the windows. Each window will be lifted and installed. The rest of the windows will follow suit. The upper level glazing will now be installed on the bump out and cantilevers of the structure. Finally, the roofing systems will be installed. The building envelope has been cut away to show the installation of the MEP systems. The plumbing, then fire protection, then electrical, then HVAC systems will be installed. This process will continue on each level. This process will be completed with installation of cooling towers on top of the roof. The building is now ready for interior finishes and tenant finish up. Welcome to City Center 3.